we know that in the last days, God made a covenant with Jesus. At yan ay may mga verses tayo mababasa. We can read a lot of verses about the covenant that God made to Jesus. One example is Matthew chapter 26 verse 28, which we already read earlier. And sabi ko doon, for this is my covenant, or my blood of the covenant, which is part of for many unto remission of sin. So we know that there is a covenant that God made to Jesus. And actually in Isaiah 42 verse 6, Jesus is actually the covenant that God gave to the people. Ang sabi ko doon ay, I, the Lord, have called thee in righteousness, and will hold thy hand, and will keep thee, and give thee, means give you. He is giving Jesus for a covenant of the people, for a life of the Gentiles. So mismo yung ating Panginoon Kristo, yung covenant ng Diyos na ibinibigay niya sa tao dito sa last days. Okay, yan ay tinuturo ng banal na kasulatan. There is really a covenant that God made to Jesus, and Jesus is actually the covenant that God made, or God gave to the people in the last days. Okay, so yun po yun, yung covenant na yun ibinigay. Pero hindi po lang yun, no? At alam natin, kapag binanggit yung covenant ni Jesus, laging sinasabi, wala lang tayo doon sa covenant na binigay ng Diyos kay Moses. Okay? So if there is a covenant that God gave to Jesus, or made to Jesus, the Bible is also telling us that God made a covenant with Moses and the Israelites. At meron tayo mga verses na mababasa. At isa sa mga verses na mababasa ng book, chapter and verse, na mababasa natin sa banal na kasulatan, ay naandun po sa Deuteronomy chapter 5, verse 1 and 2. Ang sinasabi po ng banal na kasulatan ay ganito, and Moses called unto all Israel, and said unto them, Hear, O Israel, the statutes, the ordinances which I spake in your ears this day, that ye may learn them, and observe to do them. Jehovah our God made a covenant with us in Horeb. So, the Bible speaks about making a covenant with Moses and the Israelites. Therefore, we have now two covenants. God made a covenant with Jesus, but in the time past, God made a covenant with Moses. But in between the two, God also made a covenant with David. So it's already three. That means those who advocate the two covenants are already wrong. Because we have proven that there are already three covenants. There is a covenant that God made to Moses, then there is a covenant that God made to David, and there is a covenant that God made to Jesus Christ. So it's already three. But where is the book, chapter, and verse that show that there is really a covenant that God made to David? Well, in Samuel, or 2 Samuel 23 verse 5, King James Version, ang sabi ko naman na nakasulatan ay ganito, although my house be not so with God, yet He had made with me an everlasting covenant, ordered in all things and sure, for this is all my salvation, that is referring to the covenant, and all my desire, and although He make it to grow.